how to change the bulb in a random Megane. Hopefully I'll have a size socket that fits here. So that's a 10mm socket. You can see that there. And there's a screw here, and both of these have to come out. And then the light is hopefully going to slide forward like this, and then there'll be space at the back to get things in and out. Free screwdriver. Don't know how that got in there. Are, but people say to me like motorcycling is dangerous, and it sure is, but not knowing how to change your bulb is also dangerous. Well, there is a tag there. Oh yes, yeah. So you mean just push that back a little bit. There's actually, don't know that you'll be able to see this. I want to get that screwdriver again. There's basically a plate that goes down in there, and it yeah, it stops the lights. So there you go. You see that? So hold on to that, don't lose it. Okay. And hopefully it comes out now. So see, that's so easy, that part anyway. And there's just a spring clip here that comes up, and there's one on the lower side which seems to be a little less compliant. There we go. And then there's a, in theory, sealed compartment there. Now, I haven't disconnected the battery. You probably should, because lead acid 12-volt battery that goes in a car actually packs quite a wallop and could kill you. So just be very careful here. So I'm just gonna, it's the main driving light that's gone, so that's what needs replaced. So I'm just unplugging that there. I don't know if you can see the connector there too clearly, but yeah, you can see that there. Okay, maybe just change the angle here. Okay, I think you can see inside here now, just a little bit. So basically there's a clip here and here, and what you need to do is push one side in and then out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that there, and then take the other side, push it in and out, and then that's going to fold out there like that. You see that there? That thing, you don't lose it, so if it does pop off, just watch out. And then we can pull out the bulb. Okay, and there you have it. So that bulb is blown. I don't know if you can see that. Well, it's certainly not looking too bad, but I think it's gone. So I'll set that aside, and now I need to go and find the bulb. So I have some new bulbs here. These are, I think, H4s, and totally untouched. So this is a brand new box, and you are meant to replace these in pairs. So as much as I don't want to go doing more screwing and unscrewing, I'm gonna replace the other side as well at the same time. It's a bit of a pain now. There we go. Just an important thing to note is that you should not touch the glass, because if you get grease or anything on that, it can actually make the bulb explode. So we go. And the tag here is going to be at the top. Okay. And this is the bit that's kind of scary because you can easily drop the bulb inside the guts of the car. Okay, so that's secure. I'm just gonna push the, if you can see the tag there, I'm gonna push that back into place. So I'll do one side at a time. And that looks easy because I've done this 1,000 times before. And now I'm just gonna plug the connector in, and you know, do take note of the way up this is going, but it's not really so important. Okay, so we will put the back on that. Yeah, I guess the top goes in first. And again, this is one of those. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put on the top clip. You see there, and perhaps you can't see so clearly, but there is a clip down in at the bottom here that you also need to clip on. So let's do that. So just easy enough, just give it a little slight tug, okay? And that's back in place. Okay, so now it's time to screw this back to where it should go. And this will be the reverse pretty much of the fitting, but let's see if I can get you a good view here of the action without having the camera fall inside the car as well. Yep, that's gonna do it. Okay, so here we go. That is going to slide back in there. We are going to get our metal tag thingy here as well. This goes in this slot, and somewhere down there in the boils is what it's going to slot into. So I'm just going to have to, I'm afraid I'm just going to have to get in your way. There we go. Managed to get that in.